Welcome to Arkansas Unearthed. I'm glad you're here. I'm Lisa. I'm showing you some deer that I saw off my back deck this week. And we recently lost a member of our family, our guardian Rain. She was a German Shepherd. She had big old ears and that big long nose, big old eyes that would stare at you and basically read your mind, it seemed like sometimes. I watched this little baby here, and it reminded me of Rain. So I wanted to share a moment with you guys and honor this precious baby. She was everything to us, and I'm gonna tell you what, it's a huge, huge presence that's gone in our house. She was a beauty. We had a carabiner ring on the gate because she could flip the lock and get out. And now every time I go to the gate, I can't bring myself to remove it, even though we don't need it anymore. But she's a beauty. That was her spot there on the couch. Well, her spot was anywhere she wanted to go, pretty much. And she was a little young in there, and there she is, cheesing it up for me. Her balls. She had specific toys that she really liked. And that's right before her second ear finally stood up straight. A goof shot there. We love her so much. But I wanted to take a moment to honor her with you guys. She was an amazing girl.
Are you looking at me? I see you.
Alright, we've got a measuring cup. We've got some gloves. We've got our oxalic acid. Big old bucket. Today, I'm cleaning a small batch of crystals with a slow heat method, just out in the sun. This is a video I shot last spring. As you can see, you got Rain in the background, being the guardian that she was. But anyways, I got a big old cluster here. I'm going to put it in. And then I have a couple of small clusters and then a bowl of little points that I picked up. And so we're going to put this in the sun for a day or two, depending on how hot it gets. This was shot in the springtime, and you'll see it didn't really go perfectly, but it went. So overall, the slow heat method worked okay. It worked really good on the smaller points. But on these larger clusters, you can see they just really needed a lot more heat. Let's see. So we ended up using 3 clean crystals. I had to set some to the side that I have to go through again. But as you can see, there's plenty of little jewelry points. Some pretty cool little triple scepter. This one's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool. piece here. It really needed a bit of rinse. Got some pretty druzy on the back. Yeah. We'll run it through again. This is that larger cluster. Look here. It's actually crystals formed inside that break, that fracture. And I'll flip it over so you can see the back side. This thing's heavy. That's the back side. Cool little hole right there.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.